A very good morning to each and everyone. How are you all doing?
Fine.
Fine. Why
Yeah.
fine? Fine.
Fine.
Good. Better. Okay. So ma'am has requested you all to be present with your literature workbook and textbook both today, right? Do you know why?
I know. I love
Yeah, what did you learn? Who said that? Who's that I here?
Joseph.
Joseph. Yes, Joseph, tell me.
I have book.
Book. Book.
Book.
Don't drag the words. Since day one, I'm telling you that. Yes? And you're still
yes.
doing the same. Is that a good thing then? No, not at all. You must not do that. If somebody corrects you, you have to keep that in mind and practice that. Okay? It is for your betterment. Yes?
Yes.
Yes, very good. It is good that you understand that. Very good indeed. Okay. My dear students, in the last session on Friday, we did 2 exercises from the workbook, right?
Yes.
Yes. Now, one more exercise is there, and that is a very important one.
In the
And that-
workbook.
in the workbook. Yes, in the workbook itself. And that one we are going to do today. Okay. It is about formal writing. It is about formal writing. I want everybody to be on page number 18. 18.
Page number?
18.
18.
In the workbook, my dear students,
Mama, I take.
I took.
Mama, I take.
I took. Not I take. I took. Or I have taken. You can use both.
Mama, I took.
Took. Very good. That is so good. Okay, Amen. Where is your video? Fadil, Ahyan, Sanjal. I want to see everybody. Nobody's video will be off here. Keep that in mind always, okay? Ashwad, what happened? Are you sleepy?
Mama, I took.
I took. Okay, Joseph. Good boy. Now, fine. What is formal writing? What is formal writing?
Formal writing.
Yes. Okay. When we write formal or official letters, or some letters which are written in a formal way,
No.
it is called as formal writing. All right. So whenever we send a note, a letter, or an application, we have some reason behind it, right? So depending on the reason and depending on the person to whom we are sending that note or letter or application, it is differentiated into 2 types, formal and informal. Okay. Now, in case you are writing a letter or a note to somebody at your school for some reason, maybe it is for some leave or it is for some form or something or some certificate, it will be called formal. Formal.
Formal.
Okay, yeah. So today we are going to do an exercise on note writing. Note writing. What is that exercise on? Note writing.
Writing.
What is it on?
Writing.
Very good. Say it once again. What is it about?
Writing.
Note writing. Yes.
Not
Okay.
writing.
Okay, okay,
Not
fine.
writing.
Mute, mute, mute. Yes, all will be muted. Yeah, don't unmute till I call out your name.
I unmute.
Children, you are making me unmute your devices. Okay, that is better. So I have muted your devices and I will allow you to unmute only when I want you to speak something. Okay, that is better. Okay, good. Now, what are these notes? Notes. N-O-T-E-S. Repeat after ma'am. Come on. N-O-T-E-S. All All of you repeat. Come on.
N-O-T-U-S.
T-E-S. N-O-T-E-S. Notes. Okay. Now, notes are very short messages which we want to send to other people. Okay. Which we intend to send to other people. Notes are very short messages. Okay. Now, when we write a note, there are some specific rules that we need to follow. And today in this exercise, we are going to learn or understand more about these rules. Okay? Are you ready? Ready? Say yes or no. Okay, good. I can see many thumbs up. Good. So, the first and most important point is that, as I already told you, notes are short messages. Short means very small. So they have to be written in one sentence or maximum 2 sentences. So how many sentences must be there in a note? 1 or maximum 2 sentences. So tell me, how many? 1 or maximum 2 sentences. Are more number of sentences allowed in a note? No, not at all. Because notes are used to convey short messages. Very short messages. So they should be written in 1 or maximum 2 sentences. Yes, got it? So maximum how many sentences must be there? Yes, Bilal, unmute and tell me. Bilal, unmute. Tell me. Maximum how many sentences must be there in a note? Tell me, come on. Maximum 2. Okay. Okay, very good, Bilal. Good job. Okay. Now there are 3 important parts in a note. 3 important parts. Let us learn that, or let us understand more about that. Are you ready? Yes? Good. Okay. I'm going to share the screen. Clement, where are you looking? Okay. Now see. Can you see one green box on page number 18, the bottom part? Look at it. Page number 18. Did you notice that? Ara, what are you eating there? Pay attention in the class, Ara. Okay. I can see everybody very clearly from here. Amen, switch on your video, please. Anton. Farzan. Okay, good. Now see, all of you look at the green box. Okay. What is the first line written there? Farzan, unmute. Farzan, unmute. Yes, please read it. Can you see the topmost or the first line? Read it. Page number 18. I want everybody to be on page number 18. Don't ask me the same things again and again. You have to pay attention in the class. Come on. Yes, Farzan. Say. What is the first sentence? Read it. D-E. Yes, come on. Be fast. What is that? D-E.
Number
18. 1-8. I cannot hear you. What is that written there? First line. D-E. A-R. Dear.
Yes.
Dear. Okay. Then after that, P. P-A. Read. Dear. P-A-R-T-H. Parth. Dear Parth. Then comma is there. Yes or no? Dear Parth. Okay. Now this Parth is the name of the child to whom this note is being written. Okay. Parth is the name of the child to whom we are sending this note. Understood? Arav, sit properly. Arav. Whom are we sending this note to? We are sending this note to Parth. Okay. So how will we begin? We will begin by writing Dear Parth. Dear Parth. And this part, Dear Parth, is called the salutation. 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 It is also called as the greeting. It is also called as the greeting. Okay? Yes or no? Dear Parth. Parth is your cousin. So we can address him as Dear Parth. And what is this Dear Parth part called as? It is called the salutation or greeting. Yes? Understood? Yes, Vishnu, unmute. Vishnu, unmute. Arav, switch on your video. I said don't close the video at all. Yes, Vishnu. What is this Dear Parth where we address the person to whom we are sending the note written called? What is it called?
Salutation.
Or one more word is there. Greeting.
Greeting.
Very good, Vishnu. Give a big clap to Vishnu. Very good. Okay. So, Dear Parth, that part is called the salutation or greeting. Here, to whom we are sending the note, that person's name must be written. So, in this example, Parth is our cousin. Parth is our cousin. So, we are very close. We are very close. We have a very good relation with that person. But in case we are writing a little more formal note, for example, if we are writing to our teacher or to the principal or to chairman or some other person who is a much more respected person, then can we write dear at that time? Can we write dear at that time? No. Then what must we write? Yes, Adityan, unmute and try to tell me. What must we write in that case? For example, imagine that you are writing a note to the principal of your school. So what will you write?
Respected.
Very good, very good. Respected or honorable. You can write both. Okay. Those are words which are used to address more respected people. Okay, as compared to your friends or to your cousins. Understood? A little more formal greeting. Okay, very good, Aditya. Very good. So that part is understood, salutation part. Okay, let us move ahead. Ashwad, unmute. Ashwad, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please read the second line. You did that one.
You did
Huh?
well
Well, louder, louder.
in, the, test.
test, okay. Continue.
He
Keep,
up the
yes.
good Work.
Very good. Fantastic. Very good. Okay. You need to read a little more loudly and energetically. Okay. See, children, you all are able to hear what ma'am is reading. Yes. So the same way, ma'am also should be able to hear what you are reading. So you should be a little more energetic. Okay. Okay. Very good. So, dear Parth, that is the salutation or greeting. Then, you did well in the test. Yes, this person is congratulating Parth for his achievement. And she is saying that you did well in your test. She is congratulating you did well in your test. Then keep up the good work. In the second sentence, she is saying keep up the good work, or she is encouraging Parth to perform better and better in all his future uh, participation. Okay. Yes, keep up the good work or try to score much more better in all that you participate in. Okay, good. Now that main part where these two sentences. So in a note, ma'am has already told you how many sentences must be there? One or maximum
Two.
two. Yes. So that part where one or maximum two sentences which contains the main or important content of the message is written is called the body of the note. Body. Body is called the body of the note. The first part, dear dash, is called the salutation or the greeting. The second part, that is the main content. Main content. And is written in maximum two sentences is called the body of the note. Body is called the body of the note. Okay, now let us come to the last part. Okay, Joseph unmute. Joseph unmute. Arav, sit properly. Arav.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Joseph, read the last part. B-E-S-T.
What?
Best.
Best.
Read.
Washing.
Wash. W-I is there, no, my dear? Wishes.
Wishes.
Wishes. Very good. Best wishes. Then,
Best wishes.
very good. M-R-S means Mrs. 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 means a married lady, a lady who is married, is her name, before her name, Mrs. will be written, M-R-S. Okay.
Asha.
Asha Tuli. T-U-L-I. Tuli.
Tuli.
Tuli. Okay.
Tuli.
Now this Mrs. Asha is the person who is writing this note. Okay. So who is writing this note, Joseph? Mrs. Asha Tuli.
Tuli.
Okay. Who is writing this note? Mrs. Asha Tuli. Very good. And to whom is she writing that note? To whom is she writing that note? To her cousin whose name is this one. What is the name of the cousin? Arav, sit properly.
Dear
Parth, yes. What is Mrs. Asha's cousin's name? Parth.
Path.
Dear is, she is addressing him. What is his name? Parth.
Path.
Parth, yes, very good. Okay, understood?
Yes.
Okay, so the next part, the third part and the last part. Best wishes. Best wishes. And here it is Mrs. Asha.
Asha.
Mrs. Asha. Tuli.
Tuli.
T-U-L-I. T-U-L-I. Tuli. Okay. Now this part is called the signature.
Signature.
Signature. We say no sign, sign. Sign we say no, please sign here, please sign there. Yes or no?
Yes.
The long form of sign is signature. Signature. Yes.
Signature.
So this part at the end or the third part is called the signature.
Signature.
So which are the three main parts of a note? Salutation or greeting, body
Body.
and signature.
Signature.
Yes, understood?
Yes.
Okay, Joseph, very good. Now, Mohammed Faiz, unmute. Faiz, unmute. Faiz?
Yes.
Yes. Tell me which are the three main parts of a note?
Salutation.
Very good. Then,
Body.
body and the last part?
Silence.
Signature.
Signature.
Very good. Okay, Ayan Mustafa, unmute. Very good, Faiz. Ayan, unmute. Come on, Ayan, unmute. Ayan, yes, unmute. Ayan, yes. Ayan, tell me, which are the three main parts of a note?
Ma'am.
Yes, tell me, which are the three main parts of a note? Yeah, tell me. Which is the first part? Salutation
Salutation.
or greeting. Okay, dear to whoever we are writing that person's name. That is called the salutation or the greeting. Okay, then the middle part, the second part, what is it called? Which can have one or
Body,
maximum
body.
2 sentences.
Body.
Yes, very good. It is called the body of the note. Body. And what about the last part? Signature. Where we write
Signature.
our own name.
Signature.
Yes, or the name of the person
Signature.
who is sending the note. Okay, the name of the
Okay.
person who is sending the note. Okay, is
Sending
called
the
the signature. So repeat after ma'am.
Signature.
Come on, repeat after ma'am. Which are the three main parts? Salutation or greeting.
Greeting.
Repeat.
Body.
Body and signature.
Signature.
Very good. Understood everybody?
Yes.
Okay, is everybody is clear about it?
Yes.
Yes. Vihan? Yes. Okay, fine.
Yes.
Okay, so all are clear about those three important parts? Yes.
Yes.
Michelle, unmute. Michelle, unmute. Michelle, tell me, which are the three main parts? Yeah, which are the three main parts of a note? Hmm?
Salutation. Salutation.
The first one?
Body.
First one, where we address the person to whom we are writing.
Signature.
The first part, dear so and so, what is that called?
Dear
That part
sir.
called?
Dear
Michelle? Salutation
Salutation.
or greeting. Or greeting.
Body. Body.
Okay, very good.
Body.
Then the second part, where we write the important
Body.
content of the
Body.
message. What is that called?
Body. Body.
Let Michelle answer. I want the others to mute, please. Come on. Yes, Michelle, tell me. What is that part called? Second one?
Body.
Body. Yes. And Michelle, you tell me. One or maximum how many sentences must be there in the body of the note?
2.
2. Very good, Michelle. And Michelle, you have to tell me one more thing. The last part where the person who is sending the note, his or her name is written. What is the name of that part of the note?
Yes.
Michelle, come on, think and tell me. You can do it. Yes, you can do it. Come on. What is that last part called as? Where the sender's name is written. The senders, the person who is sending the note, his or her name is written. What is that called? Come on, Michelle, you can do it. Please don't use the chat box unnecessarily, children. No need to do that. Yes. Come on, Michelle. Signature. Signature. Yes, signature. Where if we are writing the note, we have to write our own name. Clear?
Yes.
Is that clear to everybody now?
Yes.
Okay. Now we will move to exercise 4. Exercise 4. 4 is on the next page. Who's talking in Malayalam there? I will not allow that.
Which page? Which page?
Next page, 19.
Okay.
On top.
Mama, I took.
Okay, I took. Very good. I'm so happy to see when you correct yourself. Very good. Very good, children.
I took.
I took. Good.
Mama,
Good.
Joseph.
Okay.
Joseph tell. Joseph tell.
Okay, Joseph told, not tell. Told. Past tense. Okay. Tell, told. You have already told the answer. So Joseph told. Okay. Fine, let us begin. Here in exercise 4, your cousin Nilima is participating in an inter-school boxing championship. Fill in the gaps to complete this note to wish her luck. Okay, I have a few questions here. And Pavira, what is the name of your cousin here? Just imagine, okay? It will be easier for you to understand it. What is the name of your cousin here? Your cousin? Say, Nilima. What is your cousin's name here? Nilima. Say loudly, and Nilima. I cannot hear you, okay? It's not clear. No, I still cannot hear. Okay, Vihan, unmute. Vihan, unmute. And Pavira, please check your device. Okay, okay, now I heard. Now I heard. I think your headset is not working properly. Okay. Now I heard. Very good, Anne. Okay, Vihan, unmute. Vihan, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
What or which competition is Nilima participating in? Come on. Which competition? Read it. Oh, you don't have the book, right?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So, okay, no problem. Fadil, unmute. Fadil, unmute. Fadil, tell me, in which competition is Nilima taking part?
Dear Nilima.
Dear Nilima. Your cousin's name is Nilima. Okay, Fadil, tell me, in which competition is she taking part in? Inter-school. In the inter-school. Arav, unmute. Arav, unmute. Yes, tell me, in which competition is Nilima participating? In the inter-school. Very good. Boxing championship. See here, it is written here, Dear Nilima, it is great to know that you are participating in dash. What is she participating in? You cannot write just boxing. You have to write the entire thing. In the inter-school
championship.
very good, inter-school boxing championship. In the inter-school boxing championship. See, I'm not writing the entire thing because it is already there in the book. Inter-school boxing championship. That is the first fill in the blank. Okay. Now, I'm sure you dash. I'm sure you dash. In the second sentence, we have to encourage Nilima to perform well in the competition. So what must we write there? I'm sure that you, who can try to say some positive words to encourage the cousin? I'm sure you
Will
will what? What must we write?
win the
Will
competition.
dash. I'm sure you will.
Win.
What will we write?
I'm sure you will win
Very good. Win.
the competition.
Very good. Who is that? Who gave that
Vihan.
answer? Okay, Vihan. Very good. That is a very positive way of speaking. I'm sure that you will win the competition. Or we can also write that I'm sure that you will do very well. I'm sure that you will do very well. That is the second blank. I'm sure that you will do very well. And how do we end the note? We have to end it in a very positive note, very positive way. So we will say all the best. All the best. Okay. And after the body, this is the body. And dear Nilima is called what?
Greeting.
Greeting or salutation. Very good. And at the end, it is already printed there. With love. With love. Here there is a blank. In this last blank, you have to write your own name. If Kailas Nath is writing, he will write his name. If Amen is writing, Amen will write his name. If Aryan is writing, Aryan will write his name. Understood? So in the last blank, you must write your own name because you are the one who is sending this note to Nilima, your cousin. Understood?
Yes.
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 So what is this last part where with love and your name is written? What is it called?
Signature.
Fantastic. Very good. So I believe everybody has understood today's exercise. I'll be sending the notes to you. You can complete it neatly into your workbook. Time is up for today's session. So we have come to the end of today's session. See you in the next class. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.